Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you're an Apple fan, get ready because the highly anticipated MacBook Air M4 is finally here. With leaks coming in fast and expectations soaring, this could be the perfect time for an upgrade. Whether you're still holding on to an older model or just looking to explore what's new, this launch will be a game changer. Let's dive deep into the latest news, expected features, potential upgrades, pricing, and whether you should make the switch to the MacBook Air M4. The imminent launch of the MacBook Air M4. According to top Apple insiders, including Mark Gurman, Apple is gearing up for the official reveal of the M4 MacBook Air any day now. While a full-scale Apple event might not be on the cards, the company could opt for a direct-to-web announcement, similar to how they introduced the latest iPhone SE model. That means a press release and an Apple-produced video featuring key executives like Tim Cook, breaking down all the major changes. Last year's MacBook Air M3 launched in March, so it makes perfect sense for Apple to roll out the M4 models around the same time frame. If you've been saving up for an upgrade, now is the time to get excited. Expected upgrades in the MacBook Air M4. The MacBook Air has undergone substantial changes over the years, with a major design overhaul in 2022 that introduced a sleek, flat-edge look, MagSafe charging, and 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. The 15-inch model, released in 2023, brought a larger display while maintaining the same minimalist aesthetic. With the M4 update, the most significant changes will be under the hood rather than in its external design. Let's explore what Apple has in store for us. 1. The M4 chip. More power, more efficiency. The most exciting upgrade is, without a doubt, the new Apple M4 chip. While the MacBook Pro has already received this powerhouse processor, it's now time for the MacBook Air to catch up. Here's what to expect. Better performance. The M4 chip is rumored to feature a 10-core CPU, but Apple may offer a bin-down 9-core version in the base 13-inch model to maintain a clear distinction between the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro lineups. Improved battery life. Thanks to its cutting-edge 3nm architecture, the M4 chip is expected to provide 1 to 2 hours more battery life than the M3, meaning the 13-inch model could last around 20 hours while the 15-inch variant could extend beyond 22 hours. Enhanced GPU capabilities. Apple's M4 chip is expected to bring upgraded graphics performance, potentially featuring hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This could make gaming on the MacBook Air a much more viable option than ever before. 2. Base RAM upgrade to 16GB. One of the biggest complaints about previous MacBook Air models has been their base 8GB RAM configuration, which feels outdated in 2025. With the M4 MacBook Pro lineup recently moving to 16GB RAM as standard, there's hope that Apple will extend this benefit to the MacBook Air as well. However, Apple might still keep 8GB RAM on the base model and offer 16GB and 24GB upgrades at an additional cost. If you're a power user juggling multiple apps and professional software, the 16GB option could be a worthwhile investment. 3. Storage. Faster but not bigger. While many fans were hoping for an upgrade to a 512GB base storage option, it's unlikely that Apple will make that change. The base model will likely retain 256GB storage, but Apple is expected to improve SSD speeds by using a new NAND configuration, making read and write speeds significantly faster. This means smoother multitasking, faster file transfers, and an overall improved experience. 4. Improved webcam and nano texture option. Another rumored upgrade includes a revamped 12MP FaceTime HD camera with center stage, similar to what we see on the M4 MacBook Pro models. This would enhance video calls, making remote meetings and FaceTime calls clearer and more immersive. Additionally, Apple could introduce a nano texture display option for the MacBook Air. This feature, already seen on Pro Display XDR, reduces glare and enhances viewing angles, making the screen easier on the eyes in bright environments. Pricing. Will it go up? Apple has maintained fairly consistent pricing for the MacBook Air over the years, but a slight increase is possible with inflation and chip advancements. Here's what the pricing is expected to look like. MacBook Air 13-inch M4. Expected to start at $1,099. MacBook Air 15-inch M4. Expected to start at $1,299. Apple could continue to sell last year's M3 models at a lower price to provide a tiered offering, allowing buyers to choose between affordability and cutting-edge performance. Should you upgrade to the M4 MacBook Air? If you're still using an M1 MacBook Air, the jump to the M4 will be massive. You'll experience significantly better performance, enhanced battery life, and a noticeable boost in efficiency. However, if you already own an M3 MacBook Air, the upgrade might not feel as urgent, unless you need that extra power, battery efficiency, or the potential RAM boost. For those considering upgrading from an Intel MacBook, the M4 MacBook Air will be an absolute game changer. With no fan, whisper-quiet operation, and cutting-edge Apple Silicon performance, it's a no-brainer upgrade. Final thoughts. The MacBook Air M4 is shaping up to be one of the best ultra-portable laptops of 2025. With the new M4 chip, better battery life, and potential RAM upgrades, this could be the ideal time to invest in a new MacBook Air. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or just someone who needs a powerful yet lightweight laptop, this device is set to redefine expectations. Are you planning to buy the M4 MacBook Air? Let us know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates right here on Techno Trend Zone.